So aroma and taste. Aroma and taste give you flavor. So when someone says, what does it taste like? Well, taste, if you're only tasting, you're going to go, it's bitter. Everything is bitter. It's sweet. Okay, well, that's what people think about this wine for the most part. It's sweet. But the tongue does this. So the tongue doesn't lie in the world of wine. It's dry wine, sweet wine. That's it. Dry wine, sweet wine. So if you say to someone, for example, I don't like that wine, it's too dry. Okay, so my question would be, so you want a sweeter wine? Oh, no, I don't like sweet wine. Well, you just said it's too dry, which means it's not sweet enough. But let me tell you, what that really means you're trying to say is it's drying my mouth out. That's different. That's tannins. And tannins do dry your mouth out. And good Cabernet Sauvignons really, they're almost puckering. It's really crazy. So you have the nose. If you didn't have okay, it smells like, let's just say, a cigar box or a cherry smelling tobacco, or something like that. So those are the things that when you put it together, it's when you start really do that in a moment. You start realizing and deciding how and what you want to taste like. And then you develop your personal taste. So you say you like Cabernet Sauvignon, you like Cabernet Sauvignon as well, apparently. So those two wines, I think Famous actually is a blend. In fact, I think both of them are both blends. Mexico, Paso Robles, that area happens to be it's very young still, but Paso happens to be one of those really, really good wines. But they're always a little, in my opinion, the 16 is a good one, but the 19 is just too rich right now. It needs to sit around and let some of the fruitiness kind of dissipate. And that'll happen in a moment. These are some just fun little terms that you could use when you're tasting wine. We didn't go for the middle one because that's what we're tasting with the reds. So the vanilla, cedar oak, so that comes from the barrel. If it's made in stainless steel, then you won't get that, right? Because there's nothing there to absorb. Medicinal, people say, well, what is medicinal? Does it make it bad? No, it doesn't make it bad. It just makes it, some people have, if you've ever had, some people are probably also young, used to be a medicine called Creomulsion. It was a really bad tasting cough medicine. And it's gross. But there are some wines that actually kind of taste that flavor, whatever that is. And so that's where medicinal comes from. Bacon. Well, everyone knows what bacon smells like. Coffee. Who drinks coffee? Anybody? Okay. Everybody, I don't drink coffee.